Perplexity Comet versus Phind. So in this video, we will compare these two together and see which one of them is the best suited for us. So Perplexity Comet is a web browser built on Chromium Foundation with AI features integrated into the sidebar like this. So it helps summarize websites, automate tasks with local data storage to collect and store interaction data, and it also has resource intensive capabilities. However, it also uses significant CPU and memory for AI features, which can impact device performance. This is best for users who want an all-in-one AI-powered browsing experience for general productivity and research. Meanwhile, Pind is actually something that can actually help with a specialized AI-powered search engine. It helps with developer focus, specifically designed for developers. It provides code focused answers with domain specific rules and manual integration. So you can actually use Pind if you're actually a developer. As you can see, it has multimodals, and we also have in here the advanced options to allow multiple searches using web results and the likes. It can also help generate videos for you. So, if you're a developer and technical users who need accurate code-focused answers for online research, then Find is for you. If you just want to integrate AI into your browser, then Perplexity AI Comet is for you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.